Okay, so we're gonna review really quick on graphing inequalities. Okay, if we need to graph y is greater than negative 3x plus 8, what do we graph first? 8, right? That's our y-intercept. So we're going to go and plot our y-intercept on the y-axis. Then we're going to use our slope of negative 3 over what? 1, right? If we don't see anything, it's 1. So we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and right 1. Down 3, right 1, keep going. Okay, now, the greater than symbol. That tells us two things. What's one thing that that greater than symbol tells us? It's a dotted line. What tells you that it's dotted? Yeah, there's no equal to it. It's just greater than. Okay? What else does it tell us? Yeah, where we shade. Do we shade above or below?
Above.
Greater than is above. We're going to shade above. Okay, so I have a dotted line. I'm going to see if I can use my fancy dotted line thing here. Whoa, that was cool.
So great.
Okay, I'm going to undo that because it's not straight. But I'm going to try again. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know I could do that. Cool. Okay, so dotted line. Okay, and I shade above. Now, if you remember the hand trick, okay, if I put my hand here, above is up here, and that's where I'm going to shade. You can also look at the symbol, and since the arrow is pointing to the right, shade the right. Okay, that only works if it's a line like this. If it's a horizontal, vertical, it won't work. Actually, vertical will work. Sorry, okay, so we're going to kind of use that. We're going to build on it and do some word problems. All right, before we do that, we have to solve for y here. What's my first step in solving for y? Yeah, move that 2x over. So I have 8y less than or equal to negative 2x plus 24. Next step, divide everything by 8. Yeah, good idea though. That's a good idea though. If you, I love that you remembered that idea. I love that you remember that. It's only if it's a negative. 3. Okay. So our y-intercept should be 3. We're going down 1 and right 4. Do I have a solid or dotted line? Solid line. Not the straightest, but that's okay. All right, where am I going to shade? Below.
How long are you?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna draw my letters and hope that it's
Hope that it looks right.
Yeah.
Okay. So, just as we can solve many real-world problems involving linear equations, we can also do that with inequalities. Okay, we're gonna look at those different things today. When you see the words at least or at most, okay, those are going to be kind of big key words that are going to have to say. You're going to see what symbols we use where. All right, so we have a pancake breakfast. Who likes pancake breakfast? Me.
I like that.
All right, favorite thing in your pancake. What do you love in your pancake? Yell it out.
Blueberries. Chocolate chips. Chocolate. Yes. Yes. Chocolate.
I've never had M&M pancake.
Turn around.
What?
Not because I said
I'm not sure what you're talking about. Chocolate chips are awesome.
strawberries are good. Chocolate chips are best. Yeah.
I like chocolate.
Not from
Okay, question for you. Because I did this one. Has anybody ever put Reese's in pancakes? It will change your whole life.
I put
Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Okay. That's not healthy breakfast.
Yeah, unhealthy.
Okay.
Exactly like
All right, let's keep moving here. All right, so pancake breakfast. Children. All right, I'm going to show you a solution. I'm going to show you a solution. Okay? Children are served 2 pancakes and adults are served 4 pancakes. Together, okay? Together, they can serve at most 116 pancakes.
Nice.
Now, here's how we're going to do this. Okay? It says, let X be the number of children and Y be the number of adults. So, where there's children here, you're going to put X. Adults are going to put Y. How many pancakes does each child get? 2. So that's 2 per kid. So 2 times X. Tracking with me? How many do the adults get? 4. So that's 4 pancakes for each adult. What's the total pancakes that can be served? 116. Now, assume that we add these together. So the number of child's pancakes plus the number of adult pancakes, that'll give us the total pancakes. Yes? There has to be addition. With me on that? The addition part? Okay. Now, it says here, together they can be served at most. So, does the total need to be less than 116 or greater than 116? Less than 116. Okay? Can it be equal to 116?
Yeah.
Yes, because they could serve exactly 116 pancakes. Look at that. Now you have an equation. Okay? So we're going to rewrite it right here. 2x plus 4y less than or equal to 116. What do you think I'm going to have you do? Solve for y. So we're going to get y by itself. I'm going to let you do that. Get y by itself. You agree?
Wait.
Negative 1/2 x plus 29. All right. So we're going to graph 29 on our y-axis. And we go down 1 over 2. Lots of graphing. Just do quite a few, and then from there, use like the edge of your paper.
How did you do that and see it?
What do you mean?
You were just like, I have to like count it like one.
He does this a lot.
Solid or dotted line?
Is it 30 at the top?
Solid.
Oops.
Whoa.
That's not what? Why? Why? Why can't we just move our line?
Because it said heck no.
Aha.
Well, you're wrong.
I'm not wrong, I'm right.
Well, can I just make that line?
Just do it roughly. Just do it roughly. Yeah. Okay. It'll look rough. That's okay. Most of your graphing won't be this intense. I promise.
Oh no!
All right. Now,
Look at
friends, we got to keep it together here. We don't got all that time. Oh yeah. You got curvation.
That's my, yeah, that's how my day's going.
I feel it.
It's all right. Tomorrow we have to wear avocado shirts. Guacamole shirts.
Down.
Okay. So, above or below for our shading? Less than is below, so we're going to shade here. Okay, now, this is basically showing all of the different options for the number of adult and children that can attend. You with me?
Yes.
So when it says right here, name 3 different combinations, you can pick any combination in that shaded region, and that will be an answer. Okay? So let's say I say 10 adults and 12 children. Will that work?
Yeah.
Is the point 10, 12 in there? Yeah, it is. Okay? See if you can write down 2 more. It could literally be 0, 0. or 1, 1.
Oh, I did that.
So yeah, you can do that. Okay, you can absolutely do that. Huh?
You did 58, 58?
So if you go 58 here, 58 up here won't be in the shaded region. Yeah. You can do 58, 0. All right, as long as it's in the shaded region, you're good. Let's keep moving. Number 2, at the fair, a camp counselor bought food tickets for her hungry campers. The campers can use them to get hot dogs, which cost 2 tickets. Burgers are 3 tickets. They purchased at most 36 tickets. So here it says X is the number of hot dogs, Y burgers. How many tickets does it take to get a hot dog?
2.
That'll be 2 per hot dog, so 2x. How many for a burger? 3. So that's 3 times the number of burgers. All right, and they can have at most 36 because they only bought 36 tickets. So does this need to be less than 36 or greater than 36? Less than. Can it be equal to?
Yeah.
You bet, because they have exactly 36 tickets.
Another big graph.
Go ahead and rewrite and solve for y. All right, so you're gonna graph 12. 12 should be your y-intercept. And then did you get negative 2 over 3? Perfect. Solid or dotted line? Solid line. Where am I going to shade? Below. So anywhere in that shaded region will be options for the number of hot dogs and the number of hamburgers. I know. It's a little hunky. That's all right. Hunky.
I wish I could say that myself. Like, I'm not big, I'm just hunky. I remember when that big bag that was hunky.
All right, questions for me on number 2.
Questions?
All right, number 3. The Furry Friends Hotel, okay? A kennel in Columbus needs to bring in at least $1,020 per day. Okay, they have to bring that in. That's to cover their operating costs, so what it means to open the business. The kennel charges $20 per day to house a large dog, $15 for small. Okay, X is large, Y is small. So we'll put X and Y. How much is it for a large dog? $20. So it's 20 per dog, so 20X. And then for small dogs, it's 15. So that's 15 per dog, or 15 times Y. How much money do they need to bring in a day? Yep, $1,020. So the total that they make over here, large plus small, does that need to be equal? I'm sorry. Does that need to be less than or greater than 1020? Can it be equal to?
Yeah.
You bet. Okay, it can be equal to. So I want you to rewrite and solve for y, please.
Oh.
I'm getting a y-intercept of 68. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Okay, and your slope should be negative 4 over 3.
I started before you, and yet you like did it after me.
Solid or dotted line?
Solid.
Solid, because it's equal to. Where are we going to shade? Above. It's greater than. We're shading above. Think about it this way. Are they going to limit the amount of money that comes in? No, right? They're like, yeah, bring it all in, right? If we make more than $1,020 a day, bring it on, okay? They want that.
Yeah.
So that's why we shade up here, because really, that amount of money could continue to grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. Okay? So you can make these huge numbers, like 100 large dogs and 50 small dogs. Yeah.
873
That works.
873.
large dogs and 2 small dogs.
2 hot dogs.
7. Oh.
All right. Get started on that practice.
Good.
I think.
You think? Yes.
Yes.
It says practice.
Is there a back?
Yeah, the next part's practice, okay? Yeah, it's just the front of that page. We're going to start tomorrow by going over the practice. Okay? We'll start tomorrow by going over the practice. When you're done with the notes on here, we're going to start with that practice tomorrow, so work on that.